Hi, I'm Nate Martin for 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. A critical bug was exposed for the Coinomi desktop wallet. The bug states that if you've imported a seed phrase into the wallet, that seed was actually sent to Google for spelling check. A seed phrase should never leave the wallet, and this issue may put Coinomi desktop users at risk. Bitfinex announced that the U.S. government has returned 27.6 bitcoins, which were part of the nearly 120,000 bitcoins stolen from the exchange in August of 2016. The action heralds a new degree of international cooperation between governments and exchanges. The value of the returned coins will be divided among certain Bitfinex clients affected by the hack. Following reports last week that Coinbase acquired a company run by the former Hacking Team CEO who sold spyware to governments, a protest campaign is growing across social media. The #DeleteCoinbase campaign urges users to leave the exchange due to its anti-privacy policies. It was reported that Russia's State Duma is expected to pass business-friendly crypto regulations this month. The new laws would also lay the groundwork for a state-controlled crypto backed by oil reserves. Such a coin may assist Russia in trading energy internationally, despite economic sanctions. And finally, Thailand's market regulator recently approved the following 4 cryptos for investment, trading, and ICO purposes: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Stellar. However, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum Classic were banned for such purposes. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.